Kellogg's Froot Loops versus Tootie Fruities,
Madison Tebow,
Sarah Ortega,
and Cadence Yeager. Are the Froot Loops preferred more over the Tutti Fruities? Froot Loops are $4.98 and Tutti Fruities are $3.98.
do more people prefer name brand Froot Loops over off brands? We tested this question amongst our classmates to see if more people preferred the Kellogg's brand Froot Loops. We divided both kinds into 2 unlabeled cups and had participants try each and decide which they liked better. We controlled the experiment by keeping track of which cup held which kind of cereal and randomized the test by having participants draw a card to see which type they would try first and sampling all 20 students.
Control. We had the person try both Froot Loops. The subject did not know which cereal they were trying, while we did. This is called single blind. To make sure the subject didn't know what cereal they were eating, we poured Froot Loops into 2 separate cups. We kept track of the Froot Loops by keeping one brand on the left and one brand on the right. We also named one black and the other red. We then asked the subject, which product do you prefer?
Randomize. We only generalize to those who were sampled. We will be using randomization by having people pick a card. If they get a black card, they choose the black cup, and if they get a red card, they choose the red cup. We want to try to get about half of the people to try the name brand first and half of the people to try the off brand first.
Repetition. We employed repetition in our experiment by making multiple people do the test. We had the entire class come through excluding ourselves because we can't have any bias.
Data results and statistical test. The subjects ended up preferring the Tutti Fruities over the Kellogg's Froot Loops with a tally of 11 to 9. And these are the results.
Conclusion. We decided to reject the HO. There is not evidence that the proportion of times the name brand was chosen is greater than 50%.
The off-brand seems like a better choice to go with since according to the data it has better quality and is cheaper.